Gaston County middle level parents, welcome to our second Science at its Best monthly tip. I am Karen Archer, and I'm the middle school science curriculum facilitator.
And I am Amber Spargo, the middle school science academic facilitator.
Amber, last month we focused on vocabulary and how it plays an important part in the understanding of science concepts. We concentrated on the prefix of words. This month we will continue to focus on prefixes.
Yes, Karen, the use of prefixes in science really help us determine the meaning of several of our science words. Parents and students, let me remind you of what a prefix is. It is a letter or group of letters that is added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning.
Let's use some prefixes again and state the meaning of them. This time we'll create a 3-column table with the prefix in the first column, the meaning in the second column, and then in the third column we will give an example or examples of word or words with the prefix. Let's start with the prefix uni. Uni means one. An example of a word with the prefix uni is unicellular. But you know I'm a visual person, so let me share with you examples of unicellular organisms. We have protists, like amoeba and euglena. Oh, they look yuck, right? Then we have bacteria. This pic is showing various types of bacteria. All of these organisms are unicellular organisms. That is, they have only one cell.
If uni means one, then the prefix multi means many. An example of a word that contains the prefix multi is multicellular. We as humans are multicellular organisms because we are made up of many cells. Other examples of organisms that are multicellular are plants and bees. Can you think of some other organisms that are multicellular? I hope you are thinking.
Well, we have other prefixes like homo and hetero. Homo means same. Hetero means different. Examples of worms containing homo and hetero are homogeneous and heterogeneous. And Amber, I can relate that to mixtures. Examples of homogeneous mixtures are coffee, wine, air, brass, steel, you name it. But I'll talk a little about air and blood. The composition of each of these mixtures is the same. For air, you cannot see oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen gases in the air, right? Everything looks uniform. In blood, you cannot see red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets on face value. Everything looks like the same for homogeneous mixture. Amber, homo means?
Homo means the same. For a heterogeneous mixture, you can identify the various parts of the mixture. Examples of a heterogeneous mixture are cookies, sandwiches, salad, and pizza. Let's consider a pizza. You can identify the crust, the cheese, the pepperoni, and the green peppers. Yummy, yummy.
I'm hungry, Amber. Amber, I think our parents and students are understanding the importance of prefixes in science words. Let's see if they know the meaning of one more, the prefix photo. Do you know the meaning of photo? Well, photo means light. Can you think of a science word that has the prefix photo in it? Amber, do you know of any science words with this prefix?
Well, I can think of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and other organisms use sunlight to synthesize or make food from carbon dioxide and water.
And I can think of another word, phototroph. Phototroph is an organism that manufactures its own food from substances using light for energy.
Some examples of those organisms are green plants, certain algae, and photosynthetic bacteria. Now, parents and students, knowing the prefixes of words does help to make the understanding of science concepts easier. I want you now to create a table, putting in the prefix, its meaning, and possible examples of words containing that prefix. I hope that you will have fun doing this.
Learn as many science words as possible by embracing the strategy of using prefixes. Amber and I are looking forward to providing more strategies to help you understand science next month. Bye.